you say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love that lasts in the back.
भारत की संस्कृति और विविधता के
What is it with time? Why can't we
Just a few moments now. As part of our pre-boarding procedures, we are scanning all passengers to make sure you're all finished travel. So we ask everyone to please wait in front of the screen. Yes, we can face right here in front of you. Wait. Okay, I can see that some of you are really shy to wait. Let me do another
Is to explore and return. Discoveries can help the present. My intelligence can take in many forms, from light to sound. You'll find me most often as my avatar. Isn't she cute? Your journey begins in a very special place and time. Hamad bin Rashid Spaceport, February 2071. The launch is about to start. Follow me.
Alright, thank you so much, Shaya. So, pioneers, let us now follow her. Your journey to space will now begin. Kindly head inside the shuttle and go all the way to the back, please.
إلى محطة الفضاء الفضائية أمل. إنه يوم رائع وأمامنا نحن استعدوا للانطلاق بعد لحظات قليلة. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I'd like to welcome you all aboard today's spaceflight to the successful. It is a beautiful day, so we're expecting a spectacular journey. Please prepare for launch and just سيداتي وسادتي، إذا نظرت من الفضاء خارجا إلى الجانب الأيمن من الكبسولة ستلمحون محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل. أليست جميلة؟ لقد تسلمت محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل التحكم لتمثيل عملية الالتهاب الدماغي. أسعدني جدا أن أنقذ رحلتكم اليوم. استمتعوا بهذا المنظر الخلاب.
Space station এদিকে
এবার ডকিং হবে।
This is a state-of-the-art water cooling station that tracks the fate of the base of Earth's environmental condition, climate changes, and the projects we have across the globe. From time to time, you'll see a
Planetary system
either positive, negative, or an advisory being shown in English as well as Arabic. For now, please have a look on this beautiful centerpiece. What we have right here is a Grand Giant orby. This one is a mechanical representation of our.
Yes. Yes.
YouTube, do you guys have fun?
Yes.
Everyone, madam, did you have fun? No? You're staying. You had fun? Okay, she had fun. Alright, so now it's time to move on to the next chapter, okay? The Heel Institute is located only one story down. Alright, so once you get back to Earth, you can use the stairs, one flight down, or you can use the elevator, press number 4, it will take you one level down, okay? Each time you're finishing a chapter, you are going one level down. Only Nietzsche, okay?
Times of the year, and the other side gives it that explanation of the various species. So enjoy exploration. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Whenever you're ready, you will proceed to the back chapter of the journey that is one level down.
দেখ মা কি দেখেছিস ট্রিটা ট্রি তো দেখ কি এটা সয়েল ক্যাপচার বনসাই এই যে বনসাইটা দেখেছিস কি সুন্দর বনসাইটা এইটা দেখ
এই কাছের ভিতরে দেখো
এটা কি প্লিজ ওয়েট while then ওই দেখ দেখছিস এদিকে তাকাও
দেখো এই কাছের ভিতরে
এইগুলো দেখে নিতে হবে। এটা গ্রিন ট্র্যাক্টর।
এটা কি রে
পিছনে টেরেস সেকেন্ড ফ্লোর।
সেকেন্ড চ্যাপ্টার
Library. Here we stored over 2,000 DNA code strips. We have animals on the left, plants on the right, classifications are on the floor. Questions concerned do not hesitate to ask.
हिंदी बोल सकते हैं?
हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ। कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ?
हम लोग इंडिया से घूमने के लिए आए हैं, हमारे लिए एक शब्द बोल दो।
मैं इंडिया से नहीं आया, लेकिन मुझे भारत की संस्कृति और विविधता के बारे में जानना पसंद है।
थैंक यू।